Readiness for practice learning is a fundamental part of social work training. A social work degree requires students to satisfactorily undertake 2 lengthy placements working in the field with service users and other professionals, as well as the demands of academic study. The social work regulatory body requires that before our students go out onto placement, that they have the basic skills needed to work with a wide variety of people and talk to service users with understanding and respect. Social work students, therefore, are taught a range of skills about effective communication, listening and confidentiality. The students then undertake a role play and are observed doing so by a panel. This way, we ensure that students meet the basic standards before they go out into the real world. For a number of years, students undertook these interviews with drama students playing the service users, with mixed results. Denise Tanner and Joy Fillingham decided to change the approach and to work with service users and carers to assume the roles previously undertaken by drama students. There are over 40 service users and carers regularly working with students and academics on the social work degree programmes. To ensure that students really understand what it's like to be accessing social work. We were clear that not all service users and carers could undertake role play, and that we didn't want people to be talking about their own experiences that may be too close to home. We therefore advertised for those who wanted to take part to be interviewed in our newsletter for service users and carers. With the financial support of Circles of Influence money, we were able to recruit role players. The Circles of Influence campaign is the University of Birmingham's £60 million fundraising effort, including projects that will have an impact on local, national and international communities. We also recognised how important it was for role players to be adequately trained and supported. We were able to run a number of training, practice and preparation sessions, including the development of realistic scenarios in collaboration with our role players. And role players are now service users and carers rather than drama students. The results have been highly rated by service users, carers, the students and academics.
It made a difference to how real it felt, more like a professional work role.
Very realistic. I think it's a situation I would potentially be dealing with in practice.
I think there were distinct benefits over use of drama students who had perhaps not had previous experience of some of the roles we were asked to play.
We're continually seeking to improve the process and are currently working to include younger people and those who have experienced the care system. We now have a much more realistic situation where students are able to see the people they may work with in the future as whole people with skill sets and insights that they can share rather than passive recipients of services. The feedback given by the role players is invaluable in helping the students reflect on their interviewing skills and how they relate to the people they work with. We continue to train, develop scenarios and make sure that our role play and role players are diverse and realistic. This work has opened new opportunities for wider involvement of the community into social work education. It's developed the skills and confidence of service users and carers and students alike, and it feels an empowering and positive process which would not have been possible without the monies from Circles of Influence. Thank you.